Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on this page you should see a list of my devices, and on this list you should see your AMAZFIT GTR 3. Tap on it to select it, and here find the option called App Store and tap on it. And right here we have the App Store, and we can basically browse through the applications, find the one we want to install, and then tap on it to install it, or rather tap on it to select it and then install it. So let's scroll through the lists, find the application we want to install. For example, I don't know, maybe Snake Game. So let's tap on it to select it. Then you can scroll down, tap on the install button, and wait until the application is done installing. And once it's done installing, you will be able to wake up the screen on your watch, press the upper button to open the menu, and at the bottom of the menu the application should appear right here. You can tap on the icon to open it. As you can see, it's working. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.